When I tell you this is one of the prettiest Christmas breads you will ever see, I'm not lying. Let's make my beautiful Chelsea Bun Christmas wreath. Into the mixer fitted with the dough hook attachment, place in the following ingredients: flour, yeast, caster sugar, salt, milk, eggs, and lemon zest. Mix this on a medium speed for 5 minutes until you're left with a smooth dough. Place this dough into an oiled bowl, cover with a kitchen cloth and leave to prove until doubled in size. While our dough is proving, let's make the spiced butter filling. Into a bowl, add the room temperature butter, brown sugar, and mixed spice, and mix well until nice and smooth. Once our dough is proved, roll out on a lightly floured work surface, taking our spiced butter spread evenly over the surface. Sprinkle the dried fruit over the spiced butter mixture and roll up like you were making a Swiss roll. Carefully place the dough onto a lined tray and form into a circle like a wreath. Taking a sharp knife or scissors, make incisions in the dough 2 inches apart. Twist each piece of dough outwards to display that beautiful filling. I mean, how beautiful does this look already? This is our Chelsea Bun wreath filled with our gorgeous gem gourmet dried fruits. I'm going to leave this now to prove until it's double in size and then it's ready for baking. Once your wreath has proved, brush with egg wash and place into the preheated oven. Once the wreath is golden brown all over and baked, remove from the oven and allow to cool to room temperature. So now that our Chelsea Bun wreath has cooled, let's make a very simple lemon glaze. All the hard work is done, now the fun part. Just drizzle on that delicious lemon glaze. Safe to say that this really is the ultimate Christmas showstopper. If you're out to impress your friends and family this festive season, you have to try out this beautiful gem-inspired Chelsea Bun wreath.